For the birds, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase you might have heard in English conversations, for the birds. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's a colorful way to express a certain sentiment. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday English. Stay tuned to master this interesting phrase. The phrase, for the birds, is an idiom in English that means something is worthless, uninteresting, or foolish. When someone says that something is for the birds, they're essentially saying that it's not worth their time or attention. It's commonly used to express disdain or dismissal towards something that one considers to be of no value or interest. Understanding the origin of "for the birds" can help us appreciate its meaning even more. This idiom is believed to have its roots in American slang from the early 20th century. It's thought to refer to the idea that birds might pick at horse droppings for seeds, suggesting that something, for the birds, is as worthless as the scraps left for these birds. This colorful origin story highlights how idioms often come from vivid, everyday observations. To help you grasp how to use "for the birds" in conversation, let's look at a few examples. I think spending all day watching TV is for the birds. Let's go out and do something more interesting. He said that modern art is for the birds, but I think some pieces are quite meaningful. Waiting in line for hours just to get into a nightclub? That's for the birds if you ask me. These examples show that you can use "for the birds" to express your opinion on something you find meaningless or unworthy of interest. It's important to note that "for the birds" is a casual idiom, best used in informal settings. While it's not rude, it's a direct way to express your disdain, so it's wise to use it with consideration of your audience and context. Also, idioms like this one are a great way to sound more like a native speaker and add flavor to your English conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, "for the birds." We hope you found this video helpful and that you're now more comfortable using this idiom in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not only fun but also enriches your language skills and helps you understand the culture behind the language. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. This video has been a guide to mastering the phrase, "for the birds," making your English more colorful and expressive. Happy learning, and don't forget to practice using this idiom in your conversations.